Safety is at the forefront of all Tesla's technical and design developments. Initially, the Model 3 and Model Y was the first to have their radar systems upgraded to Tesla Vision in 2021, with the Model S and Model X to follow in 2022. These cars now rely on camera-based autopilot technology from Tesla called Tesla Vision, and it's available in most parts of the world. Hop in, because in this video, we're about to tackle Tesla's latest updates. If you don't want to miss any of these details, watch this video till the end. So, without further ado, let's dive straight in. Radar detection-free automobiles. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, has preferred relying on cameras and machine learning for the company's sophisticated driver assistance system and other active safety features in the Model Y and Model 3 vehicles slated for North American consumers. The decision to abandon sensor use is unconventional, like many other Tesla initiatives. Currently, radar detection-free automobiles are only available in the North American market. When asked if it planned to stop installing the radar sensor in cars sold in China and Europe, Tesla could not provide a firm answer. To provide the necessary sensing for advanced driver assistance system features like adaptive cruise control, which adjusts a vehicle's speed to that of surrounding traffic, lane maintenance, and automatic lane changes, automakers frequently use a combination of radar, cameras, and even LiDAR. Elimination of ultrasonic sensors. Tesla has steadily progressed toward feature parity and improved safety since its introduction. Compared to radar-equipped vehicles, the Model 3 and Model Y equipped with Tesla Vision have maintained or improved their active safety ratings in the United States and Europe, and they are more effective in the intervention of automated emergency braking or AEB in the case of pedestrians. With the elimination of ultrasonic sensors or USS from the Model 3 and Model Y, Tesla is taking a step forward with Tesla Vision. The international release of the Model 3 and Model Y will begin in the coming months, with the Model S and Model X following in 2023. Development of Vision-Based Network. Concurrently, Tesla developed their Vision-Based Occupancy Network, now used in their Full Self-Driving or FSD beta system, to replace the USS-generated inputs. Using this strategy, Autopilot gains the capabilities of precise localization, greater range visibility, and object recognition and differentiation using existing software. Like many other Tesla features, the occupancy network will evolve rapidly over time. Incredible features of Tesla Vision. Musk has highlighted the features of the Tesla Vision technology, which is exclusive to Tesla vehicles and uses just cameras and neural net computing to monitor and react to the world around them. One form of machine learning is represented by neural nets, which function in a manner analogous to that of human understanding. It's a sophisticated AI method that helps computers learn by utilizing many networks to spot patterns in data. Deep neural networks are used by several companies in the autonomous driving research industry to address specific challenges. Nevertheless, they partition off the deep networks and instead use rule-based techniques to fit in with the rest of the system. Transition date. The company announced in an amended statement published on its website that the transition away from the radar will begin this month. The regular autopilot and the full self-driving or FSD option will use the Tesla Vision camera and machine learning technology, particularly neural net processing. Because of the lack of autonomous driving capabilities, a Tesla can only be driven by a person at all times. Amazing autopilot feature. Autopilot features such as lane-keeping auto-steer will initially only be available in Tesla vehicles without radar. The auto-steer will have a maximum speed of 75 miles per hour and a larger minimum the following distance. Tesla has stated that the Smart Summon feature allows the driver to call for the vehicle in a parking lot, and the emergency lane departure avoidance capabilities may be disabled before delivery. Autopilot package. Autopilot, a package of advanced driving assistance systems, comes standard on all new Teslas. Tesla's full self-driving or FSD software package costs $10,000. As a result of Tesla's beta release of FSD, thousands of its customers have become unwitting software testers on public highways across the United States. As of version 8.0, Tesla vehicles equipped with Autopilot can steer, accelerate, and brake independently inside its lane, while FSD adds features like automatic lane switching and a summon system. Using the new summon feature, you may use the Tesla app as a remote to call your car from across the parking lot. Tesla emphasizes the constant supervision of Autopilot and FSD in the owner's manual and the website. Temporary disabled features of Tesla. All future Model S and Model X vehicles, including those destined for markets outside North America, will continue using radar and radar-supported autopilot technology. The Model 3 and Model Y are our highest volume vehicles, Tesla noted in its facts section. To speed up the rollout of Tesla Vision-based features, transitioning them to Tesla Vision first enables us to examine a vast volume of real-world data in a short period. To ease the transition, Tesla Vision vehicles without USN will have the following features temporarily disabled or limited. When traveling at a speed of less than 8 km per hour, Park Assist will alert you about any obstructions in your path. Make it so the car parks itself in a parallel or perpendicular space. Manually move your Tesla forward or backward using the Tesla app and the summon feature. With the Tesla mobile app, you can use the smart summon feature to have your car brought to you. And that completes our video for today. We hope you enjoyed learning the Tesla updates and how ultrasonic sensors will be replaced by Tesla Vision. Which of the features are you most excited about? Tell us in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Tech Bros for more content such as this.